Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today we're gonna get back to a project that we haven't been working on for at least half a year because the weather hasn't been to it. The plunge pool project. I don't know, I can't say that, so we're not gonna call it that. It's the pool project. I have been working a little bit on it off camera, leveling this out a little bit. It was a disaster. I put a level in there and then I went out to do some shopping for, well, I was actually out to buy these stones that was just here, and then it started raining and it ruined my good pour of concrete thing in the bottom here. You can see in the middle here, there was too much water there, so that sucked, and I was out, and I only realized when I got back that it had been raining. And yeah, it's not easy to stand up here and get the water out. Yeah, I'm gonna tile the bottom of this. I'll get the tiles and show you. Change of mind. I'll let you carry the tiles. I purchased, there's like boxes of tiles here. I purchased those last year, used on it's like a website for buying used stuff here in Denmark. It's called the Blue Newspaper, or in Danish, Den Blå Avis. And someone had the square tiles like this for sale, and they were fairly cheap, so I went by and picked those up. So let's get one of these boxes. I think this one is even open. And one-handed, this is gonna be no problem whatsoever. So I am doing a bit of gardening work here. I'm leveling out the lawn, which is also why I stumbled across this tank down here, which is now being turned into a bunker, a tiny data center bunker. So this is heavy. So we're gonna put it here. There. And I'll open it and show you the tiles. So it's nothing special, they're just white, but yeah. They look like this, and they are smooth. So white square tiles. I forget, I'm sure it's on the box. 15 times 15 centimeters. So yeah, we're gonna be laying those in the bottom of the pool all the way around, and it's gonna be great. I can feel it. But before I put down the tiles, I'm gonna vacuum the bottom of it to make sure that there is no dust and stuff laying around. So we're gonna start by doing that. And I have a pool power out here. I should get the Ryobi has a vacuum cleaner. I think it uses 2 batteries. That would be smart. Okay, I'm gonna make it wet down here so that the tiles will stick better when I start tiling it. I'm not expecting to do the whole thing today, so I'm gonna make this part over here wet. I'm gonna try anyway. That's plenty. I mixed up some tiling adhesive. That's well, that helps to get the tiles to stick. Actually helps quite a bit, so yeah, it's gonna be cool. Okay, so I'm gonna put in this piece of metal here to make some spacing to the end here so that I don't have a tile going straight up against that. And I just laid a roll down here to make sure that I also get like half tiles on the other end here, and I think that will look best. I'm gonna put them down all standard like that. So let's see. Yeah, good consistency there. I'm gonna get wet ass. Okay, first roll is down. It's only 6 towels, so the next roll is going to be ever so slightly longer. Cool. Okay, we are working on it. I have done 2 rolls without you, and there can almost be a tile here and almost be a tile there. There's just a millimeter missing, and I could have moved everything over here, but well, it's too late to do that now. If I do something stupid now, it's going to look stupid, so I'm going to leave that for now, and I'm going to come back to all the difficult pieces later. And just do the main part and get that over with it and let that dry, and when that's dry I can walk on it, and then it's gonna be much easier to do all the... Okay, that was the amount that I got done today. I'm absolutely boiling here. It's I was not expecting this good weather. It's lovely, but it's bloody hot, so I'll see if I can find a top and put over this so that it doesn't dry too fast. Okay, so yeah, we found some shade for it. I've had this sitting around for a while, so now it can dry up a little bit slower down here, and I have put a tiny bit of water over on top of it, and I've cleaned up beneath it. I'll have to clean a little bit more, I see. But that was 1 box of tiles, and I was done for when I was done with that. It's just too hot fixing that just now. I might do probably 1 more tomorrow, so this video can have some content and not just 5 rolls of tiles, maybe 10 rolls of tiles. Then everybody will be happy, right? It's the next day, and it turns out that it's probably going to be a wonderful day today as well. So yeah, I have my shade here, and I have already started doing some tilings. Put the first 5 tiles in there and thought I better grab the camera because, well, this is probably the most exciting thing that you're gonna see all day, so didn't want to cheat you for that. So putting in 1 tile at a time, mixed up a new batch of tiling adhesive. Way less than yesterday. I had more than double than what I needed. That was irritating. Yeah, we are working on it, and it's early in the morning, so it hasn't become too warm yet, which is also good. So I put a little bit too much water in here. That is teasing me now. That's good enough. And I watered all the tiles. I just took the water and sprayed them directly in the box. Way easier than dipping them in water every time. And then this genius has this pool of water over here that he has to work around. I'll continue and I'll let you see when we're further ahead. Okay, I didn't really film much of this because I didn't find it interesting, and I thought that you might not find it interesting either. I do have a little bit left over in the bucket here, so I think today might be the day when we fasten some of these. I think I can fasten them with tiling adhesive onto there. I have to line them up so that they are sitting the best they can, and then I'm gonna try and glue them on with the tiling adhesive. I'm sure it's gonna look good. It definitely needs to be cleaned. So, but right now they're fastening themselves a little bit, and then I'll go and clean them. I did clean these a little bit yesterday with a nail or something in between. I forget what I used. I didn't do a very good job, but well, I did get some of it off, so that was good. I'll try and line these up. So I have tried to line it up. It's not perfect all the way around, but it's better. I'll try and glue this one on first, because I don't. Over there I climb over all the time. Here I haven't climbed over ever. So if I tile this one on first and make sure that that is in place, I can move around and do one at a time. So I'm gonna try and do this one. I think I might have enough for one more. Yeah, this one wouldn't take much. So, got two done. I think that's where we're gonna end it for this week. If you want to make 100% sure that I will not be the one tiling your bathroom or kitchen, well, there's Patreon, where you for just $1 a month can assure that I don't get into that kind of trouble and have to resort to living off tiling works, because you don't want to save that $1 a month, I can assure you. Okay, enough of that. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.